Stop using the basic slider on the Dawn theme, because today I'm going to show you how to get this premium look on your Shopify store in under few minutes. You see, the default slider is actually clunky and cheap, making your text hard to read. The Smind slider uses professional gradients and smooth effects to give your brand a high-end feel. If you want to showcase your collections and actually close the sale, you need this upgrade. If you want to maximize your sales and show off your products the right way, this video is for you. Now let's get started. We'll be using the Smind Section app, which features a massive library of templates to help you customize any page on your store. Just search for slider in the categories to see all the available layouts. You can pick any style you like, but for this demo, I'm using slider 5. Since I've already installed it, I'll just click Customize to open it up. As you can see, the slider is now live on your page. Try clicking through to see the smooth transition effects. It looks incredible, and it's a great way to grab your customers' attention. So now let's get started with for general settings. This controls where the slider lives. You can choose to show it everywhere or build a specific slider just for desktop and a separate one just for mobile. To give a premium and high-quality layout, you should stretch your slider from edge to edge of the browser window to make your brand look massive. The slider will automatically adapt to fill the viewer's entire viewport if you set this slider to fit your screen. Next, we need to set this slider to automatically flips through your sliders. This is where you can control your timing to change slider in every seconds you set. Don't make this too fast. If a customer can't finish reading your main headline before the slide violently jerks to the next image. This is new UI effect tricks to add outlined effect to your text when the next slider is moving. You should try it to add a high-end graphic layer without requiring custom coding. In the navigation settings, you can customize the style of your arrows and pagination. Try with different style to create a modern feel that encourages users to click. Then we're going to look at the individual slider item block for your section. This is the background of your slide. You can use a static image or a video. For most beginner-friendly setups, a crisp, professional image is the best way to keep your site speed lightning fast. You can upload your image right here by clicking on this button. Sometimes your text overlay effect is hard to read. You should add a linear gradient creates a smooth, professional shadow behind your text to make it easy to read. As you see, while the next slide's image is loading, the tint color will flash for a split second. This is a huge, brilliant UX detail to create a branded experience unlike the Dawn theme. You can easily customize the color of each slider. Just use the color picker to match your product's colors, exactly like I'm doing now. It's a simple way to experiment and find the perfect look if you're unsure. Now let's set up the content for each slide. Start by adding your subtext, or you can remove it. Then add your core message so customers understand exactly what you're offering. And be sure to set an SEO-friendly heading tag and choose a large heading size. Finally, add a button label with a strong call to action like Shop the Collection and link it directly to your page. You can also change the button style to outline to keep your design looking fresh and modern. Now let's adjust the position and width of the content box. We're pushing this to 1000 pixels allows your text to stretch further across the screen, giving your slider a premium editorial big brand feel. For desktop and mobile content position and align, we always set it directly in the middle and center of the screen to ensure that the customer never miss your core message. So to your main heading hooking pop, you need to turn on this option to custom the heading. We want to set a massive 150% size to dominate a computer screen, but for the mobile view, we drop that mobile scale down to 100%, ensures your huge text doesn't break into awkward. You can also adjust the letter spacing up to 10 pixels, aggressively stretches the letters out. This creates a highly sophisticated luxury aesthetic for premium products like high-end fashion. Now repeat the same steps of customizing the slider that I've did before the next slider. Adding a new image, change the content and button links. And then when you're happy, save the changes. And there we have it. That was a quick tutorial on how you can add and customize the slider just like these example that you see. It's really quick to do and it's already mobile optimized. If you have any questions about this, please drop a comment or reach out. Follow my channel and the app as we release more section like this in every week. Thanks for watching.